Good morning. My name is Lolita Octaviani, class 3F. Today I will present my final project proposal entitled Financial Risk Analysis and Financial Distress Indication in Indonesia Retail Company After Mass Layoffs. I would like to begin with the background of this research. In recent years, Indonesia has experienced many cases of mass layoffs. These layoffs are caused by economic slowdown, change in consumer behavior, and business uncertainty. Many companies are forced to reduce their workforce to survive. However, mass layoffs do not only affect companies, they also affect employees, households, and the wider economy. When employees lost their job, their household income decreases significantly. With lower income, people must reduce their spending. They focus more on basic needs such as food, housing, and transportation. Spending on non-essential goods is reduced. This change in consumption behavior directly affects customer-based industries, especially the retail sector. Impact on retail companies. The retail sector in highly depend on customer purchasing power. When purchasing power decreases, retail sales also decline. As a result, retail company experience decreases in revenue. This decline in revenue affect the company cash flow. Cash flow becomes unstable. The companies may face difficulty managing daily operation. At the same time, retail companies still have fixed operation costs. Their costs include rent for store, electricity, water, logistics, employee expense, and inventory costs. Even when sales decline, their costs must still be paid. This creates financial pressure for retail company. If revenue continues to decline while costs remain high, the financial condition of the company becomes weaker. This condition led to an increase in financial risk. Financial risk refers to the possibility that a company cannot meet its financial obligation on time. These obligations including paying supplier, employer, creditor, and other operational expenses. In retail companies, financial risk is closely related to cash flow stability, debt level, cost efficiency. If financial risk is not managed properly, it can threaten the sustainability of the company. If financial risk continue for a long time, it may lead to financial distress. Financial distress is a condition where a company experiences serious financial difficulties. This condition is usually marked by declining profit, negative or weak cash flow, difficulty paying debts. If financial distress is not detected early, it may result in bankrupt or business fail. Uh, Early detection of financial distress is very important. By identifying financial distress early, companies can take preventive action. Their action may include employing cost efficiency, restructuring debt, adjusting business strategies, and therefore financial analysis plays a role in helping companies survive during economic uncertainty. Problem formulation. First, what is the financial risk profit of Indonesia retail company following mass layoffs? Second, what are the results of the Alman Z-score measurement in Indonesia retail companies after mass layoffs? Third, to what extent does the wave of mass layoffs affect the stability of revenue and the ability of retail companies to meet financial obligations? Then last, what financial risk management strategies need to be implemented to prevent financial distress? Research purpose. First, analyzing the financial risk condition of Indonesia retail company after a wave of May layoffs. Second, explain the impact of mass layoffs on income stability and the ability of retail companies to meet financial obligations. Third, measure and evaluating the elements score value is Indonesia retail companies after mass layoffs to assess indication of financial distress. And last, formulating appropriate financial risk management strategies for retail company as an effort to prevent financial distress. Based on this research question, this study has received several objectives. The first objective is to analyze the financial risk in Indonesia retail companies after mass layoffs. The second objective is to evaluate liquidity, leverage, and profitability ratio, an indicator of company financial performance. The third objective is to measure financial distress using the elements score model as an early warning system. This research is expected to profit several benefits. From academic perspective, this research contributes to accounting and financial management literature, especially in the area of financial risk and financial distress. From a practical perspective, this research helps retail company management evaluate financial condition and make better strategy decisions. From a policy perspective, this research can support regulator and policymakers in understanding the financial condition of the retail sector. This search is supported by previous study related to financial risk and financial distress. Previous research showed that economic shock, such as mass layoffs, can significantly affect company performance. This research also used the element score model, which is widely applied as a backup prediction tool. The model helps identify companies that are financial health in the gray area or at risk of bankrupt. The conceptual framework explains the relationship between the variables in this research. Mass layoffs reduce household income, reduce income, lower purchasing power. Lower purchasing power shows declining retail sales. Declining sales create pressure on cash flow. As cash flow pressure increases, financial risks become higher and lead to financial distress. This research uses a mixed method approach. Quantitative data are obtained from financial statements of retail companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Quantitative data are collected through literature review. They support and strengthen the quantitative analysis. The data analysis techniques used in this research include several steps. First, detective analysis is used to explain the general financial condition of retail companies. Second, financial ratio analysis is used to measure liquidity, leverage, and profitability. Financial elements score model is applied to identify financial distress condition. This research is expanded to identify retail companies that have a high risk of financial distress. The result can serve as an early warning system for management. By understanding financial risk early, companies can improve financial risk management strategy. Maslow's increased financial risk in Indonesia retail companies. Financial distress can be detected early through proper financial analysis using financial ratio and the elements score model. Early detection allows companies to take correction action and maintain business stability. Thank you.